This is Fieldstone Lane in Hermon. It's a small complex. There are a total of 22 units here in 4 buildings. The complex is right off Annis Road in Hermon. It is pretty quiet here. We're going to look at unit number 17, which is an end unit. These are all 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 2 full bath, or 2.5 baths. This particular one does have a half bath downstairs. The end units do have a front kitchen and a half bath off the living room. So this is the kitchen. It has a new dishwasher, a stainless steel Bosch dishwasher. Built-in microwave, 5-burner stove, nice stainless refrigerator, somewhat oversized. This particular unit did just have the floor replaced. This is the nice vinyl plank flooring. Very durable, waterproof, easy clean. Because this is an end unit, it does have windows, which makes it very, very nice. You get a lot of light in here, besides the fact that you don't have somebody on that one side of you. So this door walks out into the patio, and then also this is the half bath. It's kind of a little powder room. You have a toilet and a sink. Makes it sort of convenient to have a little bath downstairs. And then this door walks out onto a patio. Have a few steps that go down. You have a privacy partition between the next unit. And you have crushed rock, and then you do have some grassy area over here. Again, it's pretty quiet. You sit and relax out here. You could put a patio set, have a gas grill. And another nice feature of these units is that they do have a basement. The washer dryer hookups are in the basement, but there's also plenty of room for storage. They are unfinished, not made for living space, but you could have shelves down here. You could also use it maybe as a workout area. They do stay pretty cool in the summertime. The washer dryer hookup is right here. This door goes to the utility room. The heating system for these 2 buildings on the side is there. That door just gives access if needed. There's your electric panel, your hot water heater. So nice and clean and dry. We do recommend dehumidifiers during the humid months in the summertime, just because the floor is concrete, can absorb moisture. But other than that, pretty clean and dry, great for storage. So again, pretty spacious here. Some people do use this section as a dining room. If you wanted to have a table, you could have a high top here, and then plenty of room for a sectional couch. But again, a lot of room there. Kitchen's also pretty spacious. You also have a closet right here as you come in, coat closet. And then on the second floor, you have 2 full baths and 2 bedrooms. The only place there's carpet in these units is on the stairs. At the top of the stairs, you do have a linen closet. And then this is the second bedroom. It's a really, really decent size, even though it's a smaller bedroom. Definitely queen size bed would fit in here. And then it does have a really, really good size closet. So this actually goes all the way down to that wall. So lots and lots of room there. And then next door you have a full bath, the first one, which is off the hallway. In the bathrooms you do have ceramic tile. And this is the master, which does have its own bath. This has a nice marble top, a granite top vanity. Again, full bath, ceramic tile on the floor. Again, upstairs you have laminate wood flooring, a little bit different than downstairs. You have a temperature control up here for the upstairs, so you have 2 zones in the unit. This is super large, it's extra large. It's made for a king-size bedroom set. So you'd have no problem with a king-size bed in here, even a California king, plus king-size bedroom set furniture. And then you have a full wall of closets here. These 2 doors are actually 2 ends of the whole closet, so that goes all the way through there. So again, plenty of room for clothes. So that does complete the video tour of Fieldstone Lane, unit number 17. It is an end unit. 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. If you have questions, visit our website at rentbangor.com.